Hey, my beautiful persons, my name is Mubeye and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, karibu sana and thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't, please subscribe. I am bored. I'm really bored. I don't know what to do with my time. Don't get me wrong, I love to stay in the house. I love sleeping so much, but it's boring to have all these restrictions that you can't go out, you can't do this, but you have to follow all these directives until this nightmare is over. And I was about to step out and I thought of doing some makeup. Sometimes I just want light makeup. So I'm going to be doing this. This is a makeup look that you can do in 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes, and use as less products as possible. So for you guys, this is also very beginner friendly, and I've used very cheap products. These are products that you can get in your nearest drugstore. And for my country people, palette basically palette boys, yeah, boys and people hiyo sasa. So I'll just go ahead and show you the 5 products I'm going to use. Today I'm going to be using 2 foundations because, as I said, this is my normal color foundation. It looks a bit off. Quick story. My face is getting really dry. So if you have, I have pretty normal skin, but towards or during winter, my skin gets dry, gets darker for no apparent reason. So I have to keep moisturizing my face all the time. If you have something I can use, please recommend on the comment section, and I'll be very grateful. So I'm going to be using a darker one. I'm going to be using the 2. I'm also going to be using mascara. That is the second item. And then the third one is this eyeshadow palette. It has all the shimmery colors, it has the warm ones, it has the dark ones. So this is what I'm going to be using today. That is the third item. And then on the fourth one is lipstick. When I'm doing makeup, I like to do my lipstick because even if you don't have any makeup on and you do your lipstick, you change, you look like you have your makeup on even when you don't have your makeup on. That is the fourth thing. And then finally, for finishing, you can either use your powder or your setting spray. I'm a setting spray person, so I'm going to be using setting spray. If you have your powder, then you can use your powder for finishing, but I'm going to be using setting spray. So let's get started. So guys, done my eyebrows off camera because if I told you you can do your makeup and eyebrows in 5 minutes, I'd be lying. So if you can't, if you know you don't have time for your eyebrows, the rest of the makeup you can do it for 5 minutes. But if you know you don't have enough time for your eyebrows, just make sure you keep your eyebrows neat at all times. Do your threading, do your shaving, do your waxing, all those things. Keep them neat so you don't have to do so much work. With this quarantine, mine are all bushy, so I had to do them off camera so that I can do the rest of the makeup on camera. If you need help with doing your eyebrows, I did a video on tutorial step by step on how to do your eyebrows, so make sure to check it out. So let's move on. So I'll start with doing my foundation. Normally I mix my 2 foundation, but today I won't be mixing both of them. I'll just do one at a time because I don't have concealer and I can use the lighter one as my concealer. So just go in with this. Make sure you moisturize your face. Don't do any makeup in doesn't matter if it's high-end makeup, you still have to moisturize your face before doing your makeup. So let's get started. So I'll just go in with this. I'll take my lighter foundation, get some in here. This is what I'm going to use as my concealer, because I don't have concealer. So this will help if you ever bought your foundation that was not your exact number or color. You can just use, you can just buy, maybe if it was lighter you can buy a darker one, if it was darker you can buy a lighter one and use them both. You don't have to like not use that one. The next thing I'm going to do is my eyeshadow, and I like to use this trick. So I'm sure there are makeup or eyelid tips or stickers out there that I just choose a normal one. So I'll just show you what I do. This helps me not waste time with cleaning up after I do my eye makeup. So I just kind of go in and take it at the corner of my eyes with my eye, and then just do that on this other side. Just use normal tape, works the same, but don't be like me, get some makeup tape. And today, I'm not even sure, I'm using this palette, so I'll just take this dark brown for the corner of my eye. Then I'll use this shimmery brown. I'll then use this light gold to just kind of go at the corner of my eye to give it a pop. See? I hope it's clear how clean it is. It seems like you just did the line, but you didn't. Just the tape that made that line for you, so it's easy and quick. So just take your sponge and just go under the eye and just pat some. Usually I just use the concealer, but right now we're not using concealer, so just go in with the foundation and just pat foundation around. The mascara, and then I do my eyes. I just The next trick I use is using this brown color as my contour. I just quickly go all over. Guys, this is not a must for you to do. If you're not, you don't have time, you don't have 5 minutes, you can just skip this. On the same palette, you have this color that I used to pop my the corner of my eyes. So you just take a bit of that. That goes on your nose. We're using this as our highlight. So I'm just going to use my finger on the nose. Then I take some of that as well and just go over to define my lip. Go to lipstick. Makeup needs a lot of patience, so just don't go over it. Just take your time. I know you only have 5 minutes, but it's better to do it well the first time than to repeat it. So I'm just going to be using 2 lipsticks. So I'm going to be using a dark one and a light color. And I'll just use my finger to spread it. Then I'll go in with this. This is my setting spray, because remember I said you can use this or your setting powder, so just go in with this. The same shimmery stuff, guys, the same one. I said I'm going to use it in the highlight, so I'm going to use this to highlight my cheeks. So guys, and we're done. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And until next time, keep safe and I'll see you then. Bye.